Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from VideoShowMeHow, and in this video, super simple DIY guide specific to this guy. Do you ever get the scenario where you hit the old start button and you get that no electronic key? There's a fair chance it's because your fob is going flat. So in this video, I'm going to show you the super simple DIY way you can change one of these. You totally don't need to pay anyone. This is definitely something you can do yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. So dead simple, this one. You definitely can DIY this. You don't need to go and pay someone to do this. You can do it yourself in all of 30 seconds. You just need your key fob. You don't even really need any tools. Everything you need is right here built into the key. You will of course need a new battery. That's what these guys here are. So a CR2032, so 2032, that is the one you're going to need. I will link in the video description down below a few options where you can get these online from Amazon, what have you, but you can find these pretty well everywhere. So as far as removing this guy, dead simple. If you flip the key over, you will see a little latch here. Just with your fingernail, you can just pop that guy. So just pull it towards you and your key will come out. Yes, it does have a key. This is your emergency key, the same one that you use to stick down the side of the gear stick in the emergency shift release. So that's ultimately what that's for on this type of car. Now you will see on the inside here, there's a bit of a gap there on where that goes. And all you need to do is line it up underneath here. You just need to give it a little bit of a wiggle and lever it off the side, and it will pop open and crack the fob itself open. Just give that a little bit more of a twist on levering on the side. Just be careful and it will open just like that. Give it a bit of a pull out. Just gently does it, and there you go. Key open, put that guy to the side. You just need to get the old battery, the old 2032 out. Once again, just using your emergency key to lever that guy out of there. Pops out just like that. We can get rid of that guy, get our brand new one, a little bit like that. If you do get the same brand that I've used here, holy moly, they absolutely encapsulate it. So be prepared. And there's our new one. It's just as simple as reversing what we did then. You want to slot it in this side first, push him down until that's into place, and then just grab your lid. You want to line him up. Be careful there so it's all nice and lined, and then just click back into place all the way around on the corners. Simple as that. Get your key, slide him back in position, and we should have a nice little red light there with the fob all working. Well, that's it for this one. As always, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.